Sweet potato gnocchi with pesto. First, preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Place sweet potatoes on a baking tray. Use a fork to prick sweet potatoes all over. Pop in the oven and bake for 1 hour, turning them occasionally or until tender. Meanwhile, line another baking tray with baking paper. Peel another sweet potato and cut into 2 cm pieces. Spread over the tray and spray with oil. Season with salt and pepper. Bake, turning occasionally, for 25 to 30 minutes or until golden brown and tender. Peel the baked sweet potatoes and place the flesh in a large bowl. Use a potato masher or fork to mash until smooth. Add the flour. Season well with salt. Then use your hands to mix until combined. Turn the mixture onto a lightly floured surface and knead to form a dough. It should be smooth and slightly sticky. Divide the dough into 4 even portions. Roll each portion into a 2 cm thick log. Using a small sharp knife, cut each log into 3 cm lengths, setting them aside on the tray as you go. For the pesto, add basil leaves and pine nuts to a small food processor. Process until finely chopped. Add the oil a little at a time and process until well combined. Season with salt and pepper. To cook the gnocchi, bring a large saucepan of water to the boil. Add 1/4 of the gnocchi to the pan and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. As they cook, the gnocchi will rise to the surface of the water. Use a slotted spoon to lift them out into a heat-proof bowl. Repeat in 3 more batches with the rest of the gnocchi. Add half the pesto to the gnocchi in a bowl, along with the roasted sweet potato. Toss to combine. Spoon into the serving bowls and drizzle with the remaining pesto. This recipe is meat and dairy free and uses only 5 ingredients. For the full recipe, see the description below. For another plant-based dinner, head to our veggie loaded spiral pasta video here.